Hello, bloomy dear kids, students, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowel combinations. Okay, dear. Sound of vowel O A words. O A words. O and A. Combination of O and A words. Here now OA words have been given. 11 words have been given here. In each word there is OA. To be pronounced as is pronounced as O. O. And this is now your sound symbol of O. OA is pronounced as O. Okay. So let us enrich our vocabulary. Let us improve our pronunciation. Okay. So here, dear, one by one, I'm going to pronounce it with spelling out. With spelling out. Okay. LOAD. Load. लोड ओ लोड बोझ भरना ROAD रोड सड़क TOAD टोड मेढक COAL कोल कोयला GOAL गोल लक्ष्य FOAL फॉल घोड़ा का बच्चा and BOAT बोट means now COAT coat GOAT goat बकरी FOAM foam झाग ROAM रोम घूमना फिरना. Here dear you find OA pronounced as O. In these words you have seen here. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.